Welcome to the in front of me Redmi Note 11, and I'll show you that the device comes with the 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here we can see the first paper box. Inside we got the SIM tool, paperwork, and the silicone protective case, and here we got the charger brick and the USB-C cable, and unfortunately we have no here any adapters to our headphones. So if you wanna use the adapter here, so you just should buy it separately in the shop. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.